Hi, my name is 𝗕𝗠, and I'm a pediatrician, and I've been working for the past 15 years seeing kids in the community. Yeah, so over the years I've seen lots of families where parents struggle with getting their kids to adopt healthy habits. Us as parents, the biggest barrier to engaging our kids is probably us. The great thing about MEandMine is that you have the combination of a booklet that makes things the ideas and the concepts very, very concrete. You have wonderful characters. I think the activity is really fun. That really drives the point home. Also, I think it helps shape the interaction between the parent and the child. So it's less of the parent saying, do this, and the child's going to listen, to an experience where both the parent and the child are learning. Again, I think MEandMine is a wonderful product.